in one, or are you guys in
Yeah,
the
we just started one.
Alright, no problem. I'll join in after.
Alright.
Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding her disappearance to please come forward.
Wait, who's this random guy? Ugh. He's like the fourth guy, because I noticed he joined a while back and he just never played with us.
No, yeah, that's Frozen. That's who was playing earlier. She said she had to go eat real quick.
Gotta focus. Gotta stay strong. What do we have here?
Okay, realistically, if you had to fight a family member, who do you think you'd take on in real life, and who do you think you would die from?
Cook. Oh, whoop Cook's ass. Old as hell.
Okay.
I'll beat the shit out of him.
Okay, who do you think would kill you besides
Bubba.
Leatherface?
That motherfucker. I was gonna say that motherfucker strong as hell.
Garrison, nobody gonna survive him realistically.
Probably Hitchhiker. He's pretty. Looks pretty fragile. I feel like I'd snap him in half, if not Sissy. Like, the Sissy got a poison knife in real life, or what? You know what I mean? Like,
let's say their abilities kind of realistic. So like, Sissy would not like, you know, blow. She'd probably blow like something.
I'm more afraid of that straight razor than I am that fucking pocket knife, though.
I mean, yeah. I'm sorry, Leland.
No, you're good. Leatherface is coming, brother.
But personally, I think I'd die from Sissy. Cause like, even if her poison is not that realistic, like it would probably affect your lungs and make you cough and, you know, irritate your eyes. So she'd probably like slit your throat when you're trying to like cough and shit. You know what I mean?
Leatherface is going up top of Bone Room.
This looks promising.
I'm gonna unlock Bone and then get some scrap.
Yeah, no, Duck Hook heard me.
Said Cook heard you.
But you old man.
Yeah, I'm definitely knocking Cook out.
Yeah, bro heard me. He's like looking right at me, and I stood up and like started walking away. He fucking heard me.
We could try to do pressure valve. See if where it's at.
Oh god, Hitchhiker's down in the basement.
Where at?
Central tunnel.
I'm gonna go up top and see if Val's on the side of the bone shed. Or the holding pen. Hey, what's up, girl? I wonder if Connie has the thing, Val. Yeah, she does. Connie's gonna do Valve.
Hey, Connie, watch out. Hitchhiker's in the basement.
I'm gonna go trade out my tool for bone scrap.
Yeah, I need a tool.
Well, she's gonna do Valve, so if you want, just get some bone scrap. Just waiting for her to put it in there.
Jesus Christ, Cook. Of course you can hear me, old ass.
ASA? I don't know what that means.
Leatherface is down here with me. No storage.
My bad, mate. What did you say? You're a little quiet.
Scared me, I ain't gonna lie.
Yes, I can use that.
Connie, are you doing pressure valve?
Yeah, I need to find it, but Leatherface is behind the door.
I gotta stay focused.
It's in the furnace room, I guess.
Gotta get out of here.
I have 2 bone knives, so I'm ready to like hide in there. Where's
I'm being
pressure
chased by
valve?
hitchhiker.
Okay, I'll turn it on, but I need help.
Where's it at? Where's it at?
Nice.
I'm coming to save you from Hitchhiker. Never mind. Never mind. He's chasing me.
I'm pumping the valve.
Huh.
It's on.
Jules! Thank goodness you're still alive.
I should keep this, just in case.
Oh, there's Hitchhiker. He's coming through the crack.
It's here.
He's fucked. 4v1. 4v1. Yeah, cowards. Stab him again, stab him again. Take it.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
No, no one opened this door. No one opened this door. No shot.
Do we go this way?
Thank you.
There's no way we're
Yeah.
making this. No way.
Jet,
We have
jet,
to-
jet, jet. Oh,
We have to have
Very
enough
much.
time. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Dude, no
We might be
way.
in 2 different Discord parties, but goddammit, we're gonna make it all together.
No.
Team ship with 2 different parties.
Gotta keep my eyes peeled. I know you're still here.
I stabbed him, bro. Outtake.
Oh, let's get out of here. Yes!
Oh my god, I almost didn't make that. Connie, I don't know. Oh, I got her out. Oh my god, that was close.
GG, guys.
GG's,
Oh my
GG's,
god,
GG's.
2 different Discord parties and we still managed.
Nice.
Oh my god, that was intense. Cause I was like not even a hit away from death. I was about to incapacitate.
Yeah, I had a barge, Leatherface.